to have faith. It's not always easy to have faith and trust everything is going to be okay, yet still you must do exactly that. Because when you have faith, your life will begin to flow in magical ways you never imagined were possible. It's very true. And it's so different than hope. Hope and faith are completely different. Hope, to me, hope leaves a big room for doubt and fear and unbelief that you're going to have it. It's hope. I hope that this happens. Nope, not the right order. So then you're asked, after this having faith,